doing today, guys? Another day here at the 540. Just want to explain another good upgrade to you guys. I recently purchased and installed a sprint booster. Same thing I have in my M5. So I have the Turner throttle body upgrade, the sprint booster now installed. For the installation of the sprint booster, it's pretty simple. What you want is a flathead screwdriver. This is the same for E39, E38, X5. But you want to get your floor mat pulled away, and you're going to see halfway up this plastic body there's a spot you can stick a screwdriver in. You want a fairly wide one with a wide head, not a little tiny one, and you want to shove it kind of on an upward angle into that hole, and then you just pry a little bit and this whole gas pedal unit will slide over. So once you do that, there's a simple wire connection on the gas pedal. For the sprint booster installation, all you do is disconnect that wire harness off the pedal. The sprint booster comes with its own adapter harness. The adapter harness plugs in the factory gas pedal plug and also plugs in the factory line on the car going to your computer. So it's just an inline plug-in. Once you install that inline plug-in, there's a little wire that runs to your controller. Just a 2-wire plug, very simple, and it's designed to plug in the side of the adapter harness that Sprint Booster provides for you. So I mean, for $300, these things are an awesome modification upgrade. The gas pedal has 9 different settings in 30% mode. So I'll just show you here. So you see the green light, red light, off. So this is 30% more responsive, and you can turn it up 1 to 9. Red mode, 1 to 9 as well. And I'm not going to go into the full details, but in your instruction booklet with this unit, it's also got a valet mode that if your friend's driving your car or somebody driving it that you don't want beating the shit out of it, you can actually set it that it'll only give the engine 30% throttle, and you lock it out with a code. Quite a simple procedure. I've read it. It's just I'm not going to try to explain it on here. And yeah, you can lock it out that it only gives partial throttle. So great upgrade for your E39. Works very well.